Welcome to Brain Buzz. Most English learners, even very good ones, keep repeating a few grammar mistakes without realizing it. And the funny part is, these mistakes are so small, but they completely change the meaning of a sentence. So today, in just a few minutes, I'll walk you through the 10 most confusing grammar mistakes and help you fix them forever. Let's start. One of the most common mistakes is mixing up it's and its. Many learners say things like, "It's raining." But remember, it's simply means it is. So the correct sentence is, "It's raining." It's without an apostrophe is used when something belongs to it, like, "The cat licked its paw." Another very common confusion is between your and your. People often write, "You're amazing," but that actually means something belongs to you. If you want to say you are amazing, then it must be, "You're amazing." Just try replacing it with, "You are." If it fits, use your. A mistake almost everyone makes at some point is using then instead of than. "She is taller than me." Sounds natural, but it's wrong. Then is used for time, something that happens afterward. Than is used for comparisons. So, the correct sentence is, "She is taller than me." Next is something students always mix up, much and many. It's actually simple. If you can count it, use many. Many books, many chairs, many people. If you cannot count it separately, use much. Much sugar, much water, much time. A similar mistake is between fewer and less. You use fewer for countable things, like people or items, and less for uncountable things, like water or money. So you say, "Fewer people came today, but there is less water in the bottle." Now let's talk about me versus I. Many people say, "Me and Ali went to the market," but that's incorrect. If you remove Ali, you would never say, "Me went to the market." You'd say, "I went to the market." So the correct sentence becomes, Ali and I went to the market. One mistake even advanced learners make is using will and going to incorrectly. Use going to when you already planned something. I'm going to study tonight, but use will when you decide something on the spot, like, "The doorbell rang, I'll get it." Then we have has and have. Just remember, he, she, it, has I, you, we, they, have. So you say, "He has a car," but they have a car. Another mistake that shows up a lot in writing and speaking is mixing up do and does. Use do with I, you, we, they. Use does with he, she, it. So, do they play cricket? But, does he play cricket? And finally, let's clear the confusion between could and would. Could is about ability, something you were able to do. I could swim when I was 5. Would is about preference or polite requests. I would like some tea. That's it. These mistakes may look small, but fixing them makes your English sound much more confident and clear. Tell me in the comments, which of these mistakes have you made before? And if you want more simple grammar lessons like this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.